guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on the Ford Fiesta and we'll show you how to remove and replace rear spring. So if you have a Fiesta, MK7 or Fiesta ST, generation 2008 to 2017, stay with us and we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear spring. Not very complicated procedure at all once you know what to do. We'll be taking apart the whole car guys, more than 200 videos coming, so if you need anything, please subscribe. Other vehicles will be on the channel as well. You can see we've been working on quite a few here, so let's start on it now. So we have the car in park or in gear if it's standard, so put it in gear. We're going to have, the tire chokes here to put on the rear right side because we'll be working on the rear left side and we don't want the vehicle to roll on us. You can actually use two more on the front just in case. Always be safe than sorry. So we're going to go ahead and jack it up now. We'll need to have a jack stand, always use a jack stand because if the jack fails, what happens? You're under the car, it fails, one little seal, O-ring fails, it drops on you and you're done. So one jack stand guys can save your life and your car as well. Something as that we will do for extra safety. Stay with us and we will show you in just a second. We'll have the links for all the tools that we use and all the parts in the description of the video below guys, like that rapid pump racing jack, really cool deal, and it's very affordable. We really like it and we've been using it for more than 3 years and it works great. Okay, so we have the jack stand there now. So we're going to remove the lug nuts now. So for the rear spring you don't even have to remove the tire off. You can do it with the tire on the vehicle, but we'll remove it so we have more space. This is because, we have the bolt for the shock here and the spring is right there, so you can see it's really easy to access. Okay, this one got stuck a little bit there. So we'll go ahead and remove all 4 of them. I'm not gonna waste your time watching us removing those, unless it's quick. And check out guys, we have a new channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. Only live videos for electrical problems, fuses, things like that. Really important information there. Only live videos, nothing edited, so you can see how we diagnose everything and how we do all that stuff. So we're going to put the tire face up under the car so we don't scratch the wheel that way. But if something happens, the jack stand fails, and even if you still have the jack, it fails too, the tire can catch it. But we will need the jack, for something else now. So we'll get WD-40 penetrating oil, and what we're going to do now guys, we're going to spray that bolt right here. And this is because this bolt can have some rust built there, so I recommend spraying it for at least 10 minutes before you start working there, so it can eat all the rust and you will be able to pull it out easy. I have the jack now, so we're going to get it all the way, under the spring there. Needs to go in and we're going to pump just a little bit, maybe that was a little bit too much, we'll see, you can adjust it later, but it needs to support the spring. So when we unhook the shock, it doesn't, the spring doesn't fly away. 15 millimeter on the back side. And you can see it came loose now. Almost removing it now. Super easy to work on that car. Especially the rear suspension is really simple. This is the bolt guys. Right here, this is the bolt. So now, we can let the jack down. Carefully, slowly, put the jack down. Like that. So now, on the bottom, you have 2 plastic teeth for that cap. So you need to squish them with your fingers. One person, always have the jack stand wheel there guys, to make sure that you're safe under the car. One person steps on the disc roller. Put the weight down, and now we are going to, remove the spring, out of here. So let me show you now, where the teeth are on that plastic thing, right here. It's actually 4 of them. 40 it, but when you push it up it comes out pretty easy. And this one is facing forward. Okay, you can see the arrow. So now you can see when you're ready to install the new spring, on top right there where the old spring used to lay. Okay, so you need to get the angle correct. Okay, just like that on ours. And this one needs to be pointing forward. Remember the arrow. You need to put the spring together. Okay, like that. So one person will need to push the suspension down again. Okay, let me just fix the camera here quick. Okay, so let me get this one now with 2 hands. Okay, we need to press a little bit more. Okay, it's going in. Okay, there it's in. Okay, now we need to let go of it. Okay, and our plastic piece didn't go all the way in, so let's step on it again. We need to adjust it here a little bit more if we can. Okay, this one is in. You need to make sure that the bottom bushing is all the way in. Now we can get off the wheel. Okay, and all we will have to do, we will have to put the jack underneath it now. Okay, and once we do that, okay, that's too much, so we need to go down a little bit. Okay, right there. We need to install our bolt and get it tight as well with that 15mm. So okay, we're gonna check it by hand, and this will be the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.